Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's about Blue by FX, and in my previous video of yesterday, you recall very well I talked about this. Let's go to the 30 minutes. I talked about this candlestick. Okay, if it changes, because when I talked about it, it was a bearish candlestick which was about to turn bullish. So I talked about this candlestick turning bullish and the next candlestick being bullish as well. So it was because of this candlestick here that I talked about this one here when it was about to turn into this bullish candlestick, because I said this here was a reversal candlestick which made me get into this trade, and this right here, if the 30 minutes, which was that if the 30 minutes should close bullish, that the next candlestick is going to buy. So that was a scalping. There are things you have to understand if you join the mentorship class. You have to understand the reversal candlesticks, that as I predicted that this candlestick is going to be pulling up to the next one. So you've seen that this candlestick actually closed bullish, strong bullish. Okay, the sellers dropped the market down here, but the buyers were able to pull it back, which is a very good sign at a support level for you to go in for a buy. And if you see something like this at a resistance level, it means going for a sell. Okay, so there are things you have to understand. So if you watch my next, like if you watch, I'm going to be adding a clip of the previous video where you will see how this works. Okay, so guys, make sure you join the free Telegram channel, make sure you like this channel, and also make sure you subscribe. Okay, hit me up for your mentorship, hit me up for your Profit challenge. You want account management, you want to join the VIP, just hit me up. I'm available for you. So try to understand candlesticks too. Okay, if you're learning on your own, you also have to learn how to understand candlesticks. Okay, repetitive patterns that might come up, so you know, oh, this thing has happened before, let me go back and retest this thing if it's going to happen again. So just like here, you've seen that we have the support here. I'm going to pull it down a bit. Okay, so we have the support here. So you see what happened here was a break and a retest and a sell. So same thing happened somewhere here again, a retest to this level and a sell. So I don't know, let's pull this a bit. So you see that where this SL is, let me bring this up. You see that that's a resistance at this level, a support at this level, and now served as, when it broke, it retested and started going down. So this is another, you see that that place also was a support turn resistance. So when it broke, we waited for a reversal to come to this level before we go in for it. So guys, you see now that this is how this stuff works. So this market might just start buying back. Okay, let's see if that's a support. Let's just pull back. Is that a support? Now guys, look at this. If you check very well, you see that this is that support. That's why market has decided to pull back from that region. So look at this. I'm going to place this here. Now zoom in twice. So this is it here. This pull, and you see this here. It's actually a resistance to these people here, and now it has turned to a support at this level. Or am I? No, that's not it. That's not it, guys. Sorry. This is it. This is it. It's a support. So that's why market has decided to pull back up. Okay. Follow this 30. This is okay. 2998. So this is it. 2998 thereabouts. So this is a support, and it has decided to pull market back. Okay, that was a spike, but that's one spike of a lot. So market might just pull back to this region before it starts dropping again, or it might just start buying back to this level. So guys, these are things you have to understand. There are lots you have to understand. You don't just have to depend on just indicators. Of course, indicators works, but you can't depend fully on indicators. Using price action works very well, perfectly. Imagine this is step. Who wouldn't know that this is a support? Who wouldn't know that that's a support? So now, market coming to this level, and you've seen before, because price action has to deal with the past and the present. Okay, the past and the present. So this market coming here, going back up, coming down here, tells you it's going to go back up. So there are a lot of things that you have to put in place. Okay, but you also have to know Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? So even on the 1 hour, you can see that even we've never seen this side. Check this out. Even at this point, it still happened. Fake breakout, came back, retested, they start going up. So guys, you can actually use this to trade anything. So join our free Telegram channel. You're going to learn a lot on the mentorship as well, and the VIP is for those that don't have the time to, they don't understand how to read the chart, or maybe they know how to read but they need someone to guide them. And I mean, if you also want account management, maybe you're working, you don't have the time to trade on your own and you still want to making profit, so hit me up. I'm available for all of this. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch my previous videos and you're going to enjoy every bit of it, because there are some that I tell you about indicators. Of course, we use you can use indicators, but I always talk about adding price action to it. Okay, this is a step. This step, we took it yesterday, of course, and we were able to smash TP. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday we took step index trade. Let me show you that. We took the step index trade here, and what were we doing yesterday? We were selling yesterday, and we hit our TP. Okay, this is it. We hit our TP, and today you can see that we've made profit from this trade thanks to price action. We're selling it and we made profit and we left the market. So guys, make sure you join us and make sure you stay on this channel. Subscribe, turn on your notification bells as well, because it's gonna be massive, and I'm here to help you guys reach the top. Let's get rich together. I mean, it's not hard. It's not hard. Just take a look at this. Let's see how much I've made. This is the last 6 months. Oh, sorry. Let's say last week. Last year I was able to cop $1,000, bro. So that's simple. So guys, make sure you join the free Telegram channel. Make sure you hit me up, and we're gonna make this money together. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. So this video is a continuation of what we were talking about yesterday. Yesterday I talked about markets probably buying back to this position here, of course, which you will see me talking about it on the other parts of this video as we go on. So yesterday we were selling the crash, but today we are buying the crash. And I talked about market rejecting from this a certain level around here, although market actually pulled down before going up, but this is where we got into the trade from after it has gone above this resistance. Okay, after it has gone above this resistance. And if you can recall, I actually talked about market buying to a certain level before dropping again, or just buying back up, and that is what has happened over the past should we say over the past close to 24 hours. Market has come back to this level. It has even passed the level I expected it to, which is here, and it's here to hit our TP, but we have been in massive profit if you look at it. So this buying of the C300 came, I gave it this morning. You see this sell, buy the C300, gave the SL and TP. Of course, before markets could come down, I had already told them to please secure what they have made, that they should secure what they have made, because some people might want to wait till a very long time before they want to hit the TP. One thing you also have to know is that it's not the TP. You shouldn't actually be so focused on hitting TP. Once you made your gain, the TP is not like it's a short position where you have to hit it. TP might fail. I mean, it might actually go up there and start retracing without even going back to hit the TP. So once you've seen your profit, log out of it, take your profit and leave. Don't be greedy. I don't know why people will say, we're waiting for it to hit the TP. It did not hit the TP, but we're in enough profit. We were close to the TP, but you did not take profit. So why would you wait for a TP? And I'm not going to answer you if you come into my DM telling me such. I mean, set your TP should be in your mind. If you have, that's why I talk about having a target. You have to have a target. Once you hit your target for the day, you leave, and you mustn't even wait till you hit TP. That's my own. The TP is just a place I consider should be where market should reject from. Okay, and market can still get to that position, break it, and still keep buying. That's it. So guys, as I was saying, I told them to take their TP after securing some, but we were still holding on to some and trailing our SL. So now you've seen that Price action. Why I'm making this video is because I was talking about price action. Price action is a key to trading all synthetic indices and even to trade other pairs. Like if you check all these, our TP we have been hitting. This is the VIX 100 from yesterday too, that we hit a TP, and the VIX 75 was on a sell. What else? We also got in on the step index, which gave us profit too, and we were able to hit TP. And this is a crash 300 that we went in for a sell. So if you join the Blue Boy team, you're going to be hitting making money from it, because we are here to give you good entries and help to make you gain profit from your account. So this is what we do here in the Blue Boy team, and if you join, you're going to be learning a lot in our online classes. Our classes hold as well. So you see that the support that I gave to you in the video you'll be watching next actually stands, although market pulled down. But you should also know that this place here, from here, is a zone. All here is a zone. So once market start pulling back, I said when market pulled back here, I couldn't find it, so I had to wait for a pull down and to go above this level, because I did not know if it's just pulling back to retest and come down. So I had to wait for it to cross this resistance. Of course, I had to wait for it to cross, because this was a resistance when market was down below this area. So I was waiting for it to break this resistance before we go in. If you look at the lower time frame, you see that we had entries from there. Markets came down, broke here, when it broke here, it came down. So I had to wait for it to pull back and retest here, this level, before we go in for a buy on this other this is where I got the candlestick from. It's from this red candlestick that I got into the trade. Okay, so after this, I waited for it to come down here before we go in for a buy, and that happened around late at night. So setups can come anytime, and when the setup comes, you have to take it. Okay, look out for this. So you've seen that even on this 1 hour, this place as it stands, this area here is a sort of this zone. This area here is a sort of zone. Let's use the 4 hours. You see that it's a zone. So once market gets to that level, it's actually supposed to go back down. So you see that we've been struggling to hit TP from this level. It will be going here. Let's see, it went up, came down, went up, came down. So it's actually right that you take your TP, because that's the force of the sellers starting to get into the market, and the buyers are now taking their profit, which now makes the market to have more sellers than the buyers, because at this point all the buyers are looking at this level. It's where all the buyers are actually, majority of the buyers are going to take their profit, and a lot of sellers will now come into the market. Some buyers will now turn into sell, so a lot of sellers will now get into the market, which will now bring market down, will push the market down. Okay, it's going to push the market down, or it could just be ranging at that place for a long time before making the next step out. So when market is ranging, it's actually very important for you to wait to look for reversal candlesticks at support level. If market is ranging at the support or resistance level, you have to wait and look out for the reversal candlestick or a break. And once it breaks, wait for a retest. Although sometimes market breaks and doesn't retest. So I'm not going to be going too much further into this video, but if you watch my previous video, you are going to understand this, and I'm going to be showing you the next part of this video after you've watched this. That's the one I made from yesterday, which I talked about the market buying up to a certain level, although it has passed the level I expected it to buy to. I was talking about market buying to this level. Of course, it has bought to this level. Why did I say this level? Because there was a resistance there. There was a resistance there. So that's why I was talking about it buying to this level. But now, after crossing this level, this is the next level I expect it to stop. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch this video to the end, and you're going to enjoy it. So the indicator settings here at the period 50 shift 0, you can just screenshot this, and here is the other one, and from there you can now add it up and watch my previous video to know how to use this. Of course, it's just the indicators. It's just on the main chart, but if you watch my previous video, you're going to understand how to use it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Of course, that is for catching on spikes. The indicator settings is for catching on spikes, but this is buying, and I was talking about price action. So that's the key to trading. That's the strategy I use. So you have to apply this, play with the different time frames, and you're going to understand this better. Thanks guys for watching. I'm going to see you in class.